This is missing the cover for this, and one on the back side as well, so I can see through it. I'll show you on the back. The PSI is still a little bit of pressure in the tank. I've got it hooked up there. Go through some of these. Go through some of the information here. Got the run hours at 165,613, and then load is 145,071. Go to the operating data. So the oil filter is at minus 156 hours. That's why this is on, I believe. There's the hours for the separator. I don't see the set points now, but it appears that the set points are 105 psi on and 110 off, or maybe 115. It's hard to tell because of this hose I've got connected here is a little small, as you can see. So therefore, there's back pressure, and it right at the kickoff unload point, it loads and unloads back and forth a couple times once it gets up to about 105, and you'll be able to hear that. I'm going to turn it on and check. You'll be able to hear that when it gets up to pressure. And then here's the other panel that's missing, and then here's the after cooler side. Not much to see here, but so we'll turn it on and listen to the startup. These fittings are not very tight, so that's why you see water coming out. Condensation pressure. You'll hear the load unload when it gets up here. So you can kind of see, it's hard to tell because of the back pressure, but it appears to be 105 on and then 115 off. That pretty much covers it. I'll see if we can find it. Gotta look at the nameplate of the motor here. Oh, that doesn't look like it's readily accessible. Take a look. There's no nameplate to see. Let's look at the nameplate of the compressor itself, right there. And this is a little hard to read. Same information on a different plate. And this tank is maybe 250 gallons, 250 to 300. I'm not exactly sure.